What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another vlog. Benny, where are we going?
I don't even know.
How early is it? What's the time? Sparrow fart. I think it's about 6:30ish, maybe a little bit later, but we've been up for at least an hour getting ready. But we're pretty keen. So we're going to trip, one night trip up at Kenilworth with Barney and Jamie's Touring Solutions. It's going to be pretty awesome, but it is also going to be cold, and Benny boy's just got a little electric blankie, don't you? He's going to test it out, so it should be good. Stay tuned for the rest of the day. We're going to hightail it up to Landscruiser, where JTS is, and then get stuck into it. So let's go. How's the knee going, Joshy?
It's getting better. Feels worried, but I'm sure we're gonna get some epic shots. Today's gonna be great. But cold.
It's gonna be cold, isn't it?
It's gonna be freezing. All South African balls off.
Yeah, boy. Oh, good. Today we are rocking the Patrol. We've left the Gladiator and the Ram at home. Also the 200. We don't have a camera car because we're going on this trip. We're pretty much not going to be filming ourselves this time. We'll do a bit of vlogging, but that's about it. So tracks are pretty insane over at Kenilworth, so we're going to take the good old capable Patrol. It's going to be awesome. Pretty keen. Here we are. You keen, Benny?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, boy. Guys, you keen?
So keen.
Kenilworth, eh?
Going,
yeah, boy. Oh, what's going on here?
Just doing some quick maintenance, mate, on my GoPro.
Is that a GoPro Hero 2 or?
Yeah, it's look at your little gizmo.
It's a good setup, isn't it?
It's like I got silos and this little detonator thing. And the pink handle's weird. Why'd you go with a pink handle?
Oh, because I like pink, mate. It's salmon pink, actually.
Yeah,
it's not just pink,
it's
salmon pink.
Very pink. It suits your beard pink.
So where are we off to?
We're going to head up to Kenilworth. We're going to get some tracks, hopefully. I mean, we just found out that the 3 tracks I had chosen gated as of like 2 weeks ago. So this should be... we're going to go to Kenilworth and go home. It should be fun. Highway to Kenilworth.
Beautiful.
But I'm not missing out that donut. That's the one thing I'm not missing.
Mate, 2 donuts. Remember that.
Yeah, you eat both.
Oh, here he is.
Nice warm morning, isn't it?
Yeah, oh mate, it is absolutely freezing.
I'm just pumped to have another Nissan in the crew.
Dude, there's Nissan dominance around here. Like,
Hell yeah.
one there, camera car down there. That beast. Dude, loving it.
Nissan country now.
Yeah, it's good to have you back.
Oh, it's good to
Jeez.
be back out and about.
Yeah.
Good to see you
love
out
it.
on the road.
Yeah, big time. Little sneaky shot under here. Chris's bags. Look at that. Yeah, boy. So good. So we just had a little bit of a burn around Jamie's property. It is sick. He does all sorts of four-wheel drive training, recoveries, all sorts of things here, which is awesome. Now we're gonna go to Kenilworth. I think we're having a couple of massive donuts, which will be interesting. We haven't actually had those before, but we have eaten there, which is, they've got great stuff there. It's awesome. So see how we go, eh? Stay tuned. He darted. You're a grub.
Oh, my nostrils.
Oh, how do you feel, Josh?
My nostrils are burning.
Not good, eh? Oh, and he's drinking a Red Bull. That's why his gut's off. Yeah.
Pass.
Oh yeah. Ready?
We absolutely smashed the built for off-road boys, didn't we?
Pretty much, and I think Barney cheated.
He did, didn't he? Couldn't hack it though, could he? Hey, mate.
Cheated well and truly.
Loved it. Well done, Benny.
That's all I have to say.
Love your work, mate. You're a legend. The 1 kilo donut.
Well, it was hefty. It was definitely. I can concur. It was a kilogram.
Taste was good though, eh?
Taste is.
Yeah, but it was
so
pretty
good.
heavy.
It was very heavy. I wish you could say it's going to help me today, but it's definitely not.
So if you want to see how that session went down with the donuts, the 1 kilo donuts, yeah, make sure you go and check out Built for Off-Road episode. It'll be in the description below. Mate, I'm finished from it. I'm done. We would just like to say a massive thank you to everyone supporting the channel. Make sure you drop a like and a comment on the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.
Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out.
Enjoy the rest of the clip.
You guys got
What up?
What do you reckon, Joshy?
Good, it's a really nice spot.
Yeah, it's mad, eh?
Hopefully
There's a beautiful creek there.
it's gonna be sick for the
So
drone
sick.
shots.
Oh yeah,
Keen for that.
it's gonna be mint. So we just set up camp and we're about to hit Charlie Moreland and get stuck into Kenilworth. You keen, Ben? Yeah, boy. It's been a while since we've been in the patrol, so I mean it's a capable vehicle and it's just gonna smash this up, eh?
I miss the power of the ram, but
Unlucky. Alright, so stay tuned. Tracks are coming. Yeah, boy. We just had a look at the first bit of 4-wheel drive track through here at Kenilworth, and it was a hill that everyone probably knows about, which is Death Hill. It's actually closed. They've fully dug the track out so you can't actually get through it, which is a bit of a shame because we were going to have a crack at it. So we're going to go and find a few more tracks, eh Benny? See what else there is. There's stacks of tracks around here, so I'm sure we'll find something. But
I just love seeing all the bloody greenery, eh?
yeah, but what the guys were saying, especially Jamie there,
Ground cover weed.
yeah, all this weed is buggering up all the native plants and vegetation and stuff, so it's not really a good thing. It looks great with all the greenery, but it's actually destroying all the natives, which is not good. So yeah, I don't know how they'd sort that out. If anyone knows how they fix all that, chuck it in the comments below. Yeah, awesome place to be, this joint. Just look at the scenery up here, like it's insane. How good is this joint? Massive subtropical canopies going over. We're getting right in the guts of this joint. This is so good. Looking good looking.
Mate, I'm a specialist, so I have a bit of a local knowledge of wraps, and I cook breakfast wraps and dinner wraps and lunch wraps.
You definitely do epic wraps.
I do, but it's all I do. I just wraps.
Oh yes, how good's that? What's the meat you got? Leg ham?
Okay, we've got double smoked leg ham and a little bit of this
Oh, that looks good.
Dijonnaise original.
Oh, stop it. Stop it. Oh, that's great. Oh, what's this trick here? Oh my god. No, it's got to hit the elbow. It's got to hit the elbow. Yeah. Oh. Yes. Oh.
That was disgusting. That was literally disgusting. It's like,
Oh, I just got turkey slapped. I mean, sorry, what did I just say? No.
I don't know what you said. All I know is I'm adding some stuff. I'm good, but I don't know what you said at all.
How's the coffee going?
Oh, it's coming together.
Yes.
Coming together. Gotta have
So good.
Gotta have coffee.
Maloney milk or?
Yeah, it is actually.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, you gotta
How
enjoy the
good's
milk,
that?
you know?
That is great.
Yeah, absolutely. Except for I split it this morning.
That's mad. So what coffee you got?
I got this one.
Oh yeah, that's alright.
Yeah.
How about that?
Yeah, and that's from Melbourne,
Nice.
Victoria. Yeah, and we got that up here, and I've been
Yeah,
using it for
sweet.
quite some time now.
That's awesome. That's mint.
Yeah.
What, filters it down?
Yep.
Gets all the gritty stuff out?
Yep.
That's sick.
Works a treat.
That's mad.
Well, it's the closest I can get to me espresso when I'm on the track, all right?
That's awesome. Love it.
Oh, dear.
Good stuff.
We don't really have a plan. Alright, to be honest, my car can't get up. Its reduction gears, Muddy's twin locked, and it was stuck. I'm a bit lighter and a bit dumber, so I'm going to send it a lot harder. But this is it's just a slick city. We got no chance. Hopefully everyone gets up there except for the 2 patrols, and that'd be good.
Yeah, good on you.
Yeah, winch a few daddies up the hill, make me happy.
Yes.
Woo.
That's good.
Yeah, this is like the northern end. It's all just grease.
That's what makes it a bit of fun.
There we go, Chris and Barnes got up it. What do you reckon? Point and shoot the old 3 litre.
Let's get it done, mate. Yes.
It kept sliding.
Bit of a slide.
Oh, give us a push.
You want to push? Yeah, I was working, I can see it's not going to happen, but I'll do it anyway. Just a little bit more.
Look at this. Now flex on it, mate. Yeah, boy.
Stop, get off the gears. Stop trying to kill us. On the camera. Dude, I could just get on the, he's that far from this tree, bro.
What?
Ease on that. Keep that.
Yes. go, son. Yeah.
Shocker.
Oh, wow.
Check it out on your GoPro. Shocker.
Wowza.
Don't miss the tree.
Oh, look, I could just squeeze that in.
That was a new damper.
He's trying, dude, he's trying here.
So close. Day one is done. It's getting real dark out here. Going off to camp now. Should go get a mad feed cooking, blue cheese gnocchi. Yeah, boy, oh, look at this. Sunset. Get that in you. That's a wrap, guys, for this episode. Make sure you tune in for part 2 because it's bloody epic, and jump on the Built for Off-Road YouTube channel and check out their full episode because
It's such a laugh.
it was classic, wasn't it? See you in part 2.